Hello everyone. So we all know every great achievement begins with a dream. For students, that dream might be becoming a doctor, an engineer, a teacher, an artist, or a leader. But the road to those dreams is never easy. Imagine a student sitting at a desk, books open, eyes filled with hope. The exam looked tough, the lessons feels endless, and sometimes the grades don't reflect the effort. Doubts whisper, maybe I am not good enough. But deep inside, the student knows every page I read, every problem I solve is the step closer to my dream. The journey is filled with challenges, late night of study, early morning of preparation, moments of failure, moments of frustration. Yet, each challenge is not a wall but a stepping stone. The student learns discipline from deadline, patience from practice, confidence from small victories, and resilience from setbacks. Slowly, the student grows, knowledge expands, skill happen, courage strengthens. The dream that once felt distant begins to take shape. And one day, standing at graduation or holding that first job offer or achieving that breakthrough project, the student realizes, I made it. My dream is real. This is the truth of education. It is not about being the smartest in the room. It is about being the most determined. It is about showing up every day, learning a little more, and never giving up. So, to every student chasing a dream, keep studying, keep believing because your future is waiting. And every effort you make today is building the tomorrow you imagine. Thank you.